Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter Z. Capital Z, little z. What words begin with Z? Zinnia, Z-I-N-N-I-A. This colorful flower is part of the daisy family. Zinnias come in many colors. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A. Zebras are most common in South Africa and have a very distinct coat. Zebras have long black stripes. Zoo, Z-O-O. A zoo is a place where animals are housed and fed in enclosures for the purposes of viewing or study. A zoo holds many animals. What sound does the letter Z represent? Z. Can you say Z? Very good. Z, the 26th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.